Hello everyone and welcome to Easy English with Joanna. Today, I am going to use a very well-known story to help you remember a tricky grammar situation. When to use base verb, like eat, and when to use the verb with an S, like eats. Are you ready? I'm sure you are. But first, a quick reminder. I help Spanish speakers sound natural and confident in English. So remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow English lessons. Now let's go back to Adam and Eve and our English lesson. You're probably wondering why I picked Adam and Eve for this topic. Well, it's because their story offers the perfect background for you to remember that we only use the verb with an S at the end for he, she, and it. So let's take a look. We have Adam, he. We have Eve, she. And we have it, the apple. And then there's the snake, which means that we add an S at the end of the verb, making it gives, eats, or tastes, only for he, she, and it. For example, she gives him an apple. He eats the apple. It tastes delicious. On the other hand, for everything else, we use base verb. I eat. You eat. We eat. And they eat. Let's look at more examples of correct use. Remember that for he, she, it, and singular nouns, we use the verb with an S at the end. He drives to work in the morning. She works from home. The cat sleeps all day. And for I, you, we, they, and all plural nouns, we use the base verb. I like walking in the park. You work out before going to work. We go out on Saturday evenings. My brothers study industrial engineering. Now, here are some examples of common mistakes. It is incorrect to say, he take the bus to work, or I works at the hospital. My dog run very fast. Or they always sleeps late on weekends. You say he, she, it, plus verb S if you want to be a rock star. Eats, runs, walks, works, sleeps, and so on. This applies to all the verbs. Now, it's your turn. Let me know in the comments below what helps you remember when to use the base verb or verb with an S correctly. I'd love to hear your stories and any other topics you'd like to see on my channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more easy-to-follow lessons. And thank you for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you in the next video.